Hello everyone, I got my hands on this product. This is chrome metal paint from Green Stuff World. This one is used for an airbrush gun. I think they have a brush version too. Modelers often deal with the issue of chrome color. Many manufacturers offer chrome color. I'm curious about this one. I did a bit of research on their site. I found it good to use this gloss surface primer as a base, so I ordered it with the original thinner. We can start. First, I always rougen the surface with sandpaper, best with P800 grit. You can also use other grits, but this P800 worked for me. After roundering, the paint or primer holds better. So I will use the gloss surface primer. I read that the surface should be very shiny. Wow, the surface is really very shiny. I wouldn't ever say it's acrylic paint. My surface was dry after 15 minutes, about 27 degrees Celsius. But I see that I didn't clean the surface enough. As you can see, I have dust on it. It doesn't matter, it's just a test. If it happened to me on the disassembled model, I wouldn't be angry with myself. Let's try spraying chrome paint on this shiny surface. I read on their website that it should be applied in thin layers. Wow, it looks very good. Let's wait 15 minutes until the paint dries a little and we can apply the second layer. Well, let's go to the second layer. Wow, nice result. Although it's an acrylic paint, it looked very good. What is the verdict? Well, these colors pleasantly surprised me. This gloss surface primer is amazing. I didn't expect such a result. I also used a bit of this thinner on it. The paint itself has a very nice finish. The paint doesn't need to be diluted. It is really quite thin. Have a great time and see you next time. Bye bye!